Hey guys, I'm very excited because this is the follow-up video to the video I posted about the giveaway. I have the tickets right here in my Santa hat, and before I do the draw, I'm just gonna go over the prizes in the giveaway. So there are 5 prizes, and prize number 5 is a conditioning kit with Eco Styler gel and weightless conditioner. Prize number 4 is also Eco Styler gel with other kinds of oils that can be used to seal your moisturizer. Prize number 3 is 2 packs of Afro Kinky hair and 2 packs of expressions. Prize number 4 is 5 packs of Janet Faux Locs, the straight ones, 18 inches. And the grand prize is 9 packs of curly Faux Locs hair. And there will be some lucky winners, so I can't wait to announce them. So here we go. This has got to be one of the most exciting things that I've done. And I'm telling you, some people entered and I'm happy they did. They commented on my video and followed the rules, and that was cool. So okay, so prize number 5. Let's see who the lucky winner is. Prize number 5. Okay, so prize number 5 is to Zulu. Zulu sensei, you are the winner of a conditioning kit. Yay! This is your ticket. Amazing. Alright, so let's draw number 4, which is another conditioning kit. Let's see who's gonna be the winner. I'm digging deep down because alright. Oh my god, Britney, this is my sister. Congratulations. You won kit number 4. Congratulations, girl. Okay. Alright guys, let's spice this up a little bit. Let's see, prize number 3, Afro Kinky hair and expressions hair goes to Sachoney. Sachoney, you just won some hair, Afro Kinky hair and expressions hair. Yay. Amazing. Okay, so let's get to prize number 2. Prize number 2. Prize number 2, like I said before, guys, is 5 packs of Faux Locs hair, and let's see who's the lucky winner. Okay. Oh my god. Jayce is a guy. And I know he said he was gonna try to win this for one of his sisters or his mom or maybe one of his friends, but you just won 5 packs of Faux Locs. 5 packs of Faux Locs, and I hope you can give this to one of your friends. But thank you, Jayce Brown. Jayce, you just won something. Okay guys, for the final prize, the moment you've all been waiting for, here goes. 9 packs of curly Faux Locs. The grand prize. Let's see who this is. Lucky winner, lucky winner. Let's pull this one up. K.N. Barrett. Oh my god. You just won yourself 8 packs of curly Faux Locs. I think it's 8 packs or 9 packs, but yeah girl, you just won. Thank you so much for participating and sharing it with your friends. So that brings us to the end of the giveaway. Thank you guys so much. I just announced the winners for the giveaway. I will be sending you guys messages personally, and so that you guys can send me your info and I can ship your packages to you. But thank you guys so much for participating in the giveaway, and I hope you guys will have a happy holidays. Continue to give and share with your friends and show love this season and in seasons to come. Thank you guys for watching so much, and until next time, bye.